Hello YouTube. Hello. Give me a second to grab to YouTube and send it out to some people. Your 9 to 5 live starts tomorrow. Oh, big boy shoes. Oh my god. Holy shit. And now your trading's gonna go to shit, mate. That's it. 60-hour week. Oh. Ooh, that doesn't sound too fun. Oh no. Right, okay. Live market breakdown. One sec, guys. I'm just sending this out to like a bunch of Discords so we can actually get a few views on YouTube. Bam. And send. Okay, boom. We're good. Okay, we're good on everything. You guys will have to let me know when my camera dies, because I cannot see it. I can only see Discord chat and YouTube chat. 3108, yeah, that's the... also, we're in September next month. Holy... There we go. Holy fuck. Oh, I don't even have that on. One sec. Boom. Also, I will have a completely new setup within probably a month. So prepare for an absolute shit background for the time being, because I'm probably gonna have to take some shit down soon. Life gets worse from tomorrow morning. Oh, that's crazy. Right, okay, so how was everyone's week? How did everyone do? Because yeah, I didn't really take any trades. There was a bunch. I mean, there's nothing on Forex, absolutely nothing. There was a bunch of gold misses though. I mean, valid gold trades and gold misses. Was this week? Yes, it was this week. 3 out of 3 for gold. Fucking hell. All right, Tate. Let me do this so we can still see shit. Wait, you guys can still... Oh my god, I can keep my monitor like that. That's so much better. That's pretty insane. I mean, if we go over the trades for last week, starting here, this was the first retest, which was more 4-hour retest for me. This one, first miss. That was a miss for everyone. This second one, that was a 1-hour break retest for me. And if you go, this move was because Trump tried firing that Lisa woman from the Fed. And if you have a look on the 1 minute, me and Lytix were sat there, and on the 1 minute it did that mega candle. So yeah, that one cook. Was it Lisa? I swear her name was Lisa, right? Don't know, maybe not. And yeah, she's trying to counter sue, but Trump said he's having none of it. But yeah, as you can see, it missed by 12, did 45 within 2 minutes. So obviously that's a cancel for me. If you guys held the pending, then obviously you wouldn't have known, and fair play. Cheeky bastards won the trade. So that is that. Then apart from that, there was 2 trades that I should have taken. One was this break retest here. This was the 23 fib. Yep, 23 fib break retest. Clean. I just didn't take it because I didn't see it like an idiot. So well done, Leon. I should have been on top of it, but obviously my attention has been lacking. And then the second break retest was this beauty right here. I don't know if this had a fib though. I don't think it did. I think that was too small. Unless you wanted to be a scammer and use that wick for the fib. Anyone take this? I mean, that technically, does it line up? It does, doesn't? I don't know. Did anyone take that trade, 61 fib break retest? And Tate, were any of your 3 trades these ones? I'm guessing this was one of them. That was nice. And then apart from that, you had this, which I sort of took. This was Friday evening. And this was basically a breach of this level, tap into this with the 50 psych and a big ass move in of $50, almost $50, 45. As you can see, here's the levels. So breach this one, tapped into the next one at the psych level, and it delivered 80, which, yeah, I would have hit take profit. So yeah, that is basically my week. Apart from that, Forex, there wasn't literally nothing. This was, I was eyeing that out again, didn't really do anything Friday, just hovered around and farted. That didn't have time to alignment. That's it. That is literally it. But still, gold could have caught some trades, but I was useless, so didn't take any trades. And yeah, that is my life. Oh shit, I didn't tag anyone for the, oh fuck. Just realized I didn't tag anyone for the event, and I didn't even start the event. Oh well, I guess we're not tagging people. It's 12 minutes. Do I tag people? Nah, we won't tag anyone. It's alright, we've still got a few people in here. I won't tag everyone, it's all good. The third was just a fluke, to be honest. Rallied before close, so I took a short and it did 70. What? It rallied before close, so I just took a short. What, as in, I'm guessing this shit or something? Ah, you lucky bastard. Okay, so that wasn't a trade at all. So that was just, yeah, whatever. Let me just degen something. Yeah, okay. Wasn't a trade, but was a trade. Yeah, I get you. Well, was naked in the bath and degen. I stuttered on that one then. I started reading it. I was like, no, YouTube. But okay, yeah, no, that's valid. Regarding trades this week, honestly, this live stream is going to be short. This live stream is going to be very short. I need to lock in because I need to sort out some fucking data collection stuff. Fundamental stuff has been on point. I've still been tracking fundamentals, so I'm happy with that. But now my normal trading is slacking. Why can't I multitask and do multiple things? I can't. It's like one thing or the other. Everything. With everything in life, I can never multitask. I always go like locked in with one thing and then forget about everything else. So yeah, I need to crack on with my journal because I can't lie, I haven't journaled a trade in a long time, and I haven't journaled even the misses. So I need to journal the misses and all of the trades, even if it's news. I need to journal them when there's news to see if they're profitable during news or not. But I've just been, yeah, useless basically. Yeah, Euro Aussie. What in the what? That's no. That's no. That's no. They're gone. So now what? This is a wide zone with the EMA. 28 pips. Valid. Yeah, sure. It's a wide zone, no. So it's not exactly the nicest. So that's 100 EMA. Well, welcome. What do you mean welcome? Welcome for what? That's that with 100 EMA. Bit of a, I mean, it's a wide zone, so I'll probably wait for the lower. I won't really go for the top of this. That is crazy, Cena. Wayfam, oh my god, Wayfam, you're alive. Hello, man. Hello, hello, hello. Lightix just tagged you at the exact same time. That's crazy. Hello, welcome back. This is if this one breaches, so that's, I mean, a simple trade, just breach previous, so we'll see what happens there. There we go. Then that's that. Nothing else on EA. Euro NZD. One sec. Oh shit. Just wants to come up. Sorry. Okay. How have you been, Wayfam? How's life and big career stuff? Euro NZD, that 38 fib is a goner. Nope, not interested in that. This one, though, still completely valid. This was a nice level, to be honest. I prefer this one because then you've got like this break retest, technically like the weekly little area. And obviously you've got previous price action, which is pretty damn nice, much more convincing than that tiny break retest. So this is beautiful, and I will set an alert. It's like a big boy. Nice. Currently on a job hunt. What type of job? Just any job, or like in line with what you graduated with? Electrician. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Very nice. This currently is everything timing alignment or breach. Either one of them, please. And I'll set an alert for this as well. Technically the 61 fib. But technically the 61 fib, but obviously we need like a clean breach of the 61 straight into this to class the 61 as confidence. And for sells, not interested in those right now. I've already done Athletics, don't worry. So that's yen. For GA, we have, I mean, that worked. Did anyone take that? I forgot that was this week, Tuesday. That worked so nice, but I'm pretty sure I cancelled because it had a reaction. All those news, those USD news, right? Yeah, you unmuted your mic by accident. Athletics tape. It's all good. I quickly serve and muted you. Wait, if I unserve and mute. Oh shit, no, I'll keep it on serve and mute for now. No, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. I can't remember why I cancelled this. I'm pretty sure there was, I swear there was USD news. Don't know, couldn't tell you, but anyway, it worked. So if anyone took it, well done. Because yeah, it was nice and it worked, so fair. But sucks to be Leon because he's a shit trader. Now what? Buys, all this is shit. This price action is a bit messy. I only see like 4-hour little wicks here and there. So the real levels, you got the low, but then you've got all this mess because you also have that. Oh shit, not that. You also have this. So then how do you manage that? Because there's, as you can see, so many levels. This one isn't bad with 60 pips in between, so that one's not too bad. This one now has the EMA, but then do you cover the next level? Do you? Don't you? You don't know. So I'd much rather look for sells. If we could, I mean, this could have been nice with the break retest, but I don't know. It's not the cleanest. I don't think I'm too happy with that one. Hopefully it creates a bit more of like a decent retracement and then breaches, so then we can catch the retest. Because that wasn't suffice enough, to be honest. So I don't really see anything at all on GA. However, I will set an alert for when it gets close to these lows, because I might give something a go if we have like really good market conditions, or alignment, timing, that type of stuff. GN, this had no fib, as you can see from this. I mean, no, that is not. Okay, yeah, I was going to say that technically is the 50 fib, but the reason I wasn't going for this was because of all of this. As you can see, bang, bang, bang. And obviously covering that, you basically can't cover it, because then you got to cover that, then you got to cover that. So instead, I'm going to fuck off that zone and just wait for, hopefully, a breach into this, which is highly unlikely, but if it does happen, I will take that trade. I'll set an alert just above this level just to see what price action is doing when we get to here, because we can still use just this like general zone as alignment for something else. Perfect. Let's see. That is the Passion of the Christ. I didn't take you for a religious man. Look at that beautiful face. Fucking hell, look a bit orange there, don't I? Shit me. Wait, how do I actually look that orange? No. Okay. I just realized I'm not in the center of the camera at all. Yeah, anyway. Okay, that's crazy, Ruben. Ruben's not even in the voice chat. It's just sat here in the chat of the voice chat, just commenting, glowing. Holy shit, I am a bit orange, aren't I? It looks completely different on my camera. That must be your laptop, I swear. I mean, I could. Wait. Is that less? I do look less orange now. Oh, it's your phone. Okay, good. Oh, yeah. Now you're looking well. Okay, bud. Okay, right. I'll stay for the orange. Shit. Oh, the ST guy that made that thing was so good, by the way. Oh, okay, right. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, bud. Nah, the other one was better when I jumped into the wall. That is crazy, though. Yeah, so all this is a bit shit. Was it this one? No, not that one. The other, bro, that one's, bro, what is that? Oh shit, I just downloaded it. Hell nah. What? Huh? Oh, it's opened it up here. Bro, what is that face at the end? Yeah, it's crazy. I like the last one, the one where I jump into the wall. That's the only good one. I'm in your PC now. You can have my PC, mate. I'm not a lot fussed, to be honest. Shit, I haven't been checking YouTube. Oh, great, there's no one in there anyway. GJ. Nope. UJ. Again, exact same as last week. Anyone have anything different to me? Because this is, yeah, it's not looking good, bruv. Yep, that's it. UJ and GJ. JPY has been having a little bit of a madness. Yeah, anyway, on to gold. So gold looks like, oh yeah, we made our little bets last week, didn't we? Is gold like breaking out, or where's it going? Is it going to the upside or downside? By the looks of it, we are going to the upside. Did anyone see the thing I posted in Fundamental? I don't want to click on it because I don't know if YouTube will like me or not. But as you can see, these guys sent long things that blow up to these guys, and this guy is now dusty. And I don't know how serious it is because I've not really seen much about it, to be honest, which is pretty crazy. Imagine if that was the UK Donny. That's mental. So I'm expecting this to, I don't know, because all these like things going on, I don't want to get like bummed on YouTube at all. But all this shit going on with you know, the situation over there in the Middle East, none of it is really impacting the markets as much anymore. No one's really talking about it. It's the same with the Ukraine thing. The first year of that Ukraine-Russia was crazy. The markets were going crazy. The news was going crazy. It's still going on, but no one cares anymore. It's just like the hype has died down. It doesn't sell as much anymore. So again, like that's just happened, which if that happened 4 months ago, damn, that would have been crazy. Whereas now it's, yeah, oh, okay, let me get this one. Sorry. I ain't downloading that. Oh, I don't have to. Yeah, this one. That's crazy. But yeah, it's interesting how the markets haven't reacted as much, but we'll see. If market open, gold gaps up, then obviously the markets are still sensitive to this news and they're still potentially pricing in escalation. But I think that's it as a whole. Like, people don't think anything's going to come from this. If gold doesn't gap up, then people aren't bothered. If it does gap up, okay, then people are bothered that it could potentially escalate. But if it doesn't gap up, that means most people are thinking like, it is what it is. It's probably just gonna chill after a week or two. I don't know. But let's go into some stuff. Right, so we have some levels. Let's just get rid of the weird zone down here. You have that clean level, easy. You have that one clean level, easy. Probably not looking at them. Obviously not looking at this now. 1 hour is completely different to the 4 hour. Hello, Oman. I'm from, I mean, you can probably tell by my accent. If you cannot tell by my accent, then yeah, I'm from the UK. I'm from Manchester in the UK. We have so many levels here. I will give that one a go. That one's nice. If price miraculously just dumps all the way down here, like $150, $100. So yeah, but no, we'll focus on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, 1 hour is a tough one. I mean, I haven't traded in so long that I forget how to mark out levels now. So now, to be fair, these are actually all clean. These are all very clean 1 hour levels. Breach, take trade, breach, take trade. I was just looking at that one, but nah. And I was looking at this one. I don't know whether I'd class that one. I mean, realistically, if it breached this, it then had to breach another $100. I mean, 100 pips, and then another 100 pips. So I would go for this. So ping alert here, ping alert here, ping alert here. That should be enough for now. You know what? I'll do one more just so I take the freaking trade. This one I'll ping a bit higher as well, so I actually set the trade. Yeah, that's the plan. So they're all 1 hour trades. As you can see, it's messy as hell. For the 4 hour, it gets a little bit awkward. What are we seeing? Lytix, not Lytix, I keep on calling Tate Lytix. Tate, that is a beautiful setup. I'm guessing that's this. Yeah, this is 1 hour. That is a beautiful setup. I've never seen a cleaner 61 break retest in my life. That is so nice. That's the big 23 as well. Okay, perfect. I mean, let's see what 23 we're talking about. Oh shit, yeah, it is. Yeah, from the very low, or if you want to draw it from there. And then you got the 38, you got the 50, you got the rough 61. Okay, yeah. Oh shoot. Damn. Okay, yeah, that is such a clean setup. Holy clean. Yep, beautiful. Okay, so that is a valid trade. Obviously, it was valid. I mean, valid anyway, I guess. No, it wasn't valid anyway. Ignore me. Just chatting shit. So that's, I mean, I'll just add 61% fib. So no matter what, that is a nice trade to take. Make it a bit bigger. There you go. And put it all the way down here. That'll do. Yep. Okay. So hopefully I actually take that trade. And apart from that, that is it. We smashed that in half an hour. Thank God. So now I can go and leave and go to sleep. No, to be fair, I need to sort out some content shit. I'm trying to schedule all the content I have. Yeah. Does anyone have anything else, or does anyone trade any other pairs apart from these? Because I feel like no one trades like, you know, fucking USD Swiss or anything like that. Everyone's kind of dipped and gone to the basic pairs. We all used to trade like some crazy stuff. Euro GBP. This bad boy. Yeah, ridiculous. I don't see a single trade there. Yeah, that's horrible. How long you are in market? As in how long I've been trading for? Almost 6 years now. I think it will retrace some of it. On gold? Yeah, defo. This move from last week is a pretty hefty size move. What? $80. And that move up on a daily is pretty hefty again. As you can see, quite a lot of the time we do have like a solid day retrace. We had that retrace, but that wasn't last week. That was shit. It was Monday. Never mind. But then we had 4 solid bull candles. When was the last time we've had 4 solid bullish days? We haven't. I guess like this. But apart from that, when was the last time gold did 4 days in a row bullish? You got that little thing, but it's not as intense. So yeah, I think we're definitely due a retracement. I agree. Pound dollar. I'll quickly check pound dollar. I don't know why am I meant to be? No, I'm FXCM. I was gonna say I don't use the Wanda. Oh, it's just FX now. Now please just go higher. Floating 6% P&L. Ooh, I mean that you need the break retest to justify it going higher. You can't just go higher. Weekly analysis for GU. God damn. I mean, let me draw out all the. No, okay, sure, why not? I mean, I don't really want to do any weekly analysis. It's more fundamentally based if you're looking at the weekly. I wouldn't. I mean, never mind. That's obviously technical based. Okay, have fun sleeping, Lytix. And have a good week, man. Have a fun week working in real life. I honestly couldn't tell you fundamentally where pound dollar is going. All good, tape. I'll speak to you later as well, man. Because the US is kind of in a similar situation. to the pound. Pound in the UK, we got mad inflation right now, like crazy inflation, and quite a lot of things. You see fucking manufacturing, services, PMI all pushing up. Not manufacturing, mainly services. You see CPI pushing up. For the US, it's even more dangerous because you had crazy good GDP. Services and manufacturing PMI both increased like a shit ton. What else did you have? CPI, I think, is on the uprise. I mean, we can just check with my nice, lovely sheets. But yeah, basically, inflation is crazy for both of them. And they both need to do something. Yeah, manufacturing PMI 53, services PMI 55. That's crazy high. PPI, I'm pretty sure, was pretty, yeah, super fucking strong, as you can see the past few months, which is also insane. What else have we got? I don't think CPI is crazy, but it is, yeah, anything above 0.5 is like growth, basically. So yeah, it's, the US has got a bit of a problem right now. And obviously GDP came out crazy bullish. I mean, ignore that because that is the wrong one. If we look at this. Nope, not that one. We look at this. There we go. As you can see, came out from 0.5 to 3.3, which is crazy. That is an insane growth. So we'll see what happens with the USD. Yeah, it should be interesting. And NFP data came in super weak, which is, yeah, is concerning. And they need to focus on that as well. At the same time, reducing inflation without cutting rates, because cutting rates fuels inflation. So they got to balance everything out. But Trump wants to cut rates because he wants to reduce the interest costs on the government debt or general debt. I don't know, but there's like a shit ton of interest on it. And if he reduces rates, then it'll be a lot cheaper, basically, and it'll save like billions and billions. Anyway, that was a fundamental little crazy, but I don't know because pound and US dollar are both in the same-ish situation right now, so I couldn't really tell you where it's going. So weekly, I couldn't tell you. All I could do is draw some lines and go technical based. Gold target in the next 2 months. What's your view? Honestly, couldn't tell you either. Couldn't tell you. I mean, it all depends on the two biggest things impacting gold right now is geopolitics. Obviously, not as much, but it still technically is. The reason we've been stuck in this range is one of the biggest reasons is geopolitics. Like, we don't have a clue what's going on right now. For the past few months, like Ukraine, Russia ceasefire, are they going to make deals? We don't know. Israel, Palestine, is that actually chilling now? We don't know, because Israel have just gone and done a bunch of other stuff. Trump's threatening them, here and there, so we don't know where it's going. So people are like, what the fuck's going on? So we don't know whether to go up, down, wherever. Obviously, if people are scared and they want to keep their money safe and they think there's going to be more escalation, then gold goes up because gold is the safe asset. If they think everything's safe and everything's fine now, gold will go down. But then you also have US rate cuts. Now, US rate cuts, if they cut rates, which the market is kind of already pricing in, to be honest. If we look at this chart here, this one, this is the expectation, the market's expectations of rate cuts. So we're currently expected about a 50 basis point rate cut by December. As you can see, it had a crazy spike and now it's kind of chilling-ish, I don't know. But if they cut rates, then obviously, again, US dollar will go down. And gold will go up, so we'll have to see. I'm pretty sure that's what this spike was. No, that was NFP. Never mind. Was it NFP? No, it wasn't NFP. I'm pretty sure that was when Trump said about rate cuts, or Powell said that he is thinking about cutting rates. I swear it was something like this. Well, you know what we can do? You ready? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look how cool this is. Oh, crazy. One sec. Okay, right, no, we're going to skip that, never mind. Anyway, I was going to check what that candle was, but I can't. Anyway. Gold okay, no. Bro, GU, please. Okay, yeah, well, I can't. Wait, are you the same guy? No. Fucking hell. For GU, I mean, if I go to the daily, obviously I can do some daily analysis, but to be honest, there isn't much with GU at the minute. It's just kind of chilling and doing its own thing. So in regards to levels and what trades I'd take, honestly, GU is fucking a desert right now. There's nothing. Absolutely nothing. You can maybe give that a go as well. There's literally nothing on GU. I don't know. I'd wait for it to breach above this. Then we can actually see some good anchor points. Because right now there is nothing for it to hold on to within anything here. You can maybe go for that. That's it. And apart from that, you've got nothing here. This is clean price action. So basically, once we see a breach of this, holy shit, I'd hold a trade all the way down here. Because there's nothing for it to grab or move from. Maybe this little gap here. So that is like super clean price action to hold through all the way. So yeah, I'd basically be wanting either a breach of this or this. Because if we breach this, then we can look for retest and actual movement towards this level. If not, then yeah, it's just gonna, yeah, whatever. So yeah, I don't really see anything with GU. GU is pretty boring right now. And then on a weekly level, I wouldn't really, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. And if you're gonna ask me to make predictions, I ain't making predictions, because if I could make accurate predictions, I'd be rich right now. And I think a lot of the markets right now are very fundamentally backed with Trump and rates and geopolitics. So I don't think, yeah, things are moving tech-based, obviously, when we've not really got much impact in the markets, but majority of the days we'll just be chilling, da-da-da-da-da, bam, something will come out, Trump will say something, fucking Powell will make a threat, I don't know. And then, yeah, it goes crazy, so. How do you know market is priced in interest rate cuts? They've been priced in for a long time now. We've been, wait, I want to find out that as well. I mean, you can just use this chart. This is the expectation of the market. So this is rate cut expectations by December. And as you can see, literally since Trump came in, we were expected to cut. Now, Trump wants to cut, not only because he wants to boost the economy, he wants to cut because he's trying to push all manufacturing to stay within the US, because they don't want to be reliant on like China and fucking India and all those countries. So that's why he's implemented tariffs to make businesses try and keep manufacturing within the US. And on top of that, he wants to cut interest rates to then fuel that growth. Because obviously low interest rates means businesses can borrow money for cheaper. They can, I don't know, do research and development, hire employees, expand the business. And obviously that helps with the economy and growth. And they need that right now, especially with pushing manufacturing into the US and costs going up because they can't go for cheap products in China. They have to now do it themselves. So Trump wants to cut. And you're seeing what Trump is going to, like the extent he's going to try and cut rates. He's trying to get Powell gone. He's already kicked someone else out, or tried to, the Lisa Cook woman. So yeah, this is the market's expectations of rate cuts. But I mean, if you look at every single bank and shit out there, they're all saying, yeah, we're going to cut roughly 50 basis points. But you can just look at prices. So the best way to like see whether prices are like, no, whether cuts are priced in is when we have an updated like release. This is going to be really fucking hard to explain because I'm kind of learning at the same time. But my way of looking at it is like when Trump says something about rate cuts or Powell says something about rate cuts, how does the market react to that? I really can't give an example or even show you. But you can kind of guess based on the market's reaction. So let me try and think of an example. Yep, can't think of an example. But how extreme the reaction is. Oh yeah, no, I can't think of an example. Okay. Sorry. How many BPS are priced in and how to check that? So you want to use this chart. ZQ Z25. ZQZ 2025. I'm probably... Can I share the link? Nope. But just add that one. ZQZ 2025. You want to use that. And then you want to put in these prices. These are the prices based on the basis point cuts. This is what you want to look at. And I got this from Capital Flows on Twitter. And that guy is very trustworthy. This guy. He's a big macro researcher dude. He always talks about this chart in his newsletters. Yeah, I think that is about it. If anyone has any more questions, I mean, feel free before I go. But I'm just gonna sort out a bunch of social media stuff because I have not been posting on posting videos. I mean, I posted a few, but I have not been consistent, let's say. So I need to get like properly consistent. Buy-in daily time frame. I don't know what you're saying. Sorry. Oh shit. GU. I mean, I just went over my GU analysis. I don't see anything. I don't see any buys right now. I mean, yeah, these two wicks is nice buying pressure, but I wouldn't just buy off of that. I'd wait for it to come down to like this. I wouldn't even wait for it to come down to that. I don't know. I mean, it's a nice buy zone, yeah, I guess so, but it's not really had time to fucking mature that level. So I'd more wait for a break above this. A breach above this would be nice. Target this first, second. So something like this with that and that as a second, take profit. I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Fucking new subscriber, hell yeah. What's your background, by the way? Are you talking about my actual background, or are you talking about my background as in like what I do as like a job and stuff? I cannot tell. If you want to see my actual background. Ooh! Look at that.